guys, so I want to give my review of these Morning Routine Electrolytes. So I want to be completely honest. I have tried so many different electrolytes, and either at first I don't mind them, or right away I cannot stand them because most of them have this like very overpowering, like artificially sweet taste, and I can taste it right away. And I buy them a lot because I don't buy juice in my house. So if my daughter wants something sweet, we are either having kombucha, sparkling water, or electrolytes. So I've tried many of the top brands, and I don't love most of them, or they're very salty, which is like, who wants to just drink a cup of like salty, oversweetened tart something? I don't. These are amazing. These are so good. I literally want to drink it all day. It tastes like you're drinking lemonade without like the excessive amount of sugar. So this actually has organic lemon, organic apple cider vinegar, and then it has Himalayan sea salt and electrolytes. So you're getting the hydration, but it also seriously tastes so good. Like when it's gone, I want more. So you just mix this in water like any of the other ones. I like to make mine a little stronger so it has like more of that potent flavor, but it doesn't have that artificially gross taste. And it is sweetened with stevia, which I'm pretty sensitive to, and usually I don't like things that are, but I think because it's such a small amount, I feel like it's just the right amount to like cut the tart. That it's amazing. It's so good with ice. Like you feel like you are drinking like this just really good lemonade that's also doing really good things for you. So if you are looking for an electrolyte that tastes good and then does all the things, it has all the hydration elements in it, you got to try this stuff.